What's this? You can make a tornado cucumber with a Coke can. Really? No way. Let me try. Oh no, no Coke, but Pepsi should work too. Let me open the can and drink it all first. Wow, that was super refreshing. My belly is so full now. Finally, I finished drinking. Time to cut the can. Carefully, slowly, and ta-da! Done! Flip the can upside down. Cut a small groove, then bend it up a little bit. Looks perfect. Time to get the cucumber. Cut off a tiny piece from the end. Flip the Pepsi can over and place the cucumber on the groove. Now, twist the cucumber. Yay, I twisted half of it already. Now, let's lift the Pepsi can to see the result. Let's check it out. Huh, this is just a smashed cucumber, not a tornado cucumber at all.